Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to write a review for places that you've been on Google Maps. Now, once you're inside Google Maps, guys, you want to go ahead and click your profile on the upper right hand side, and then you want to click on your profile. Now, right here, you will literally start to see suggestions of places that you recently were at, right? And you also will see write review at the right hand side here towards the center, right? At the top, you would say you'll find your latest reviews of places that you've been, but you also have the right review. You can tap on that. Now, you can search for a place that you were recently at as well, or if you just want to search for a place and just make a review because you were recently at that place at some point in time. So let's say I will take, for example, Moon Club, right? I can type in that and then I can simply go ahead and tap on it. And here you can see that I can fill in the reviews, and then I'll be able to fill in what I think and so much more and go through all the details here before making a post, right? So that's how you can easily make a review or write a review on Google Maps. And that's it.